I welcome you to Real Detroit TV, real independent journalism with real news stories. Now, for some strange reason, this is retaliatory. From the video I recorded yesterday that my door is unable to open and going in, and this is by design or retaliatory for me turning in Woodbridge Estates to RPI management for not sending maintenance people over at the proper time. So now I'm out here at 4:30, cold as fuck. Can't get in my place because they're playing these fucking games. So again, recorded again, the date. It's what date check. February 16th, 4:30. Woodbridge Estates, again, low IQ games by Slime Management. What's up? Yeah, that's him. Go ahead. Yeah, I don't know. Is that the key? Yeah. It ain't the key. I didn't even lock it. ID. My ID. Clearly, I thought you said key. All right.
Do everything by the rules.
Yeah, yes. Oh, no, of course.
Appreciate you.
No problem.
Thank you very much.
All right. It's not locked. I'm telling you, it's stuck. Oh my God, it wasn't locked. Now, this is the type of shit that you have to endure once you made several complaints about the VA and then the people that they send out to where you live in when they're targeting you. And then they start running little scripts like this when they have the people they want who are highly immoral to do their bidding. Now, this script was supposed to upset me because right before they jimmy rigged my door on this pure fuckery, they sent the notice out stating that if you're locked out of your apartment, it's going to be a $50 charge to let you in. Then 2 days after that, Ryan, the supervisor of the property, he sends out maintenance man I never seen before, which it was later I found out was family to the girl who they ran on the death script with the autistic little boy, using autistic boy, which I'll cover that later. But he jimmy rigged the door, and then as you see this, the maintenance man, he comes on. Now I see the fuckery, but see, they want me to become unhinged and yell at them. I just laugh and record. When you notice, he was a kind of little aggressive in his conversation in the beginning till you saw that camera on him. Then he started trying to be polite. But I want you to notice that he enters my place easily, opening up the door, because this is a little script. So note, after I see how easily you open up the door, because you had to do some hard shit like lift the knob and put your weight on it and all like that, which they know that I can't do because both of my hands are damaged from boxing, and I have right ulnar nerve damage where my right arm is totally fucked up and weak.
All right.
Huh?
All right, man. Just gonna fix it tomorrow, okay?
You said what? What did you do? I swear to God, I didn't even lock
my
it.
key in and push the door.
But I didn't even lock this shit. Look, hold on. Let's see now. Look. See? Same shit. But see, what the fuck is going on with that? Go ahead.
Who put this on?
A private contractor came. You see this shit? Oh. See? So, and no matter what, I gotta like keep the damn door open.
I do these 10 times.
I know. I did this shit myself.
Contractor do it?
I don't know. That's what. Look, I recorded him doing it. I told him the 2 times because when they put the video doorbell in, he locked that guy out. See this? Yep. Nah, just to show you I ain't on that bullshit. He said I believe it's something here because all he did was switch the lock. So I'm not trying to see what the hell is going on. Right. Right.
Okay.
All right, yeah, you stuck? See, I told you. All right, I'm gonna get over here. What's going on? So what I did was, show me how you did that, and then have him went inside, and then you see how it locked him in. Now, this script was ran on February 18th, 2024. Yeah.
Alright, where's the money and jewels?
You said the money and tools?
Where's the money and jewels?
The money and tools?
Jewels.
I can't hear. Say that again. Sorry.
I'm making jokes.
Okay. All right. The money and tools. Okay. All right. I think, look, how I was doing it, I had to put my knee at the bottom and push it and keep pushing it, and then and maybe it'll pop.
It's the keeper.
It's the what?
The keeper, the button.
Oh, it's the button?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm telling you, it ain't even that. It's just the weight. Okay, now let me chill. Cause I had to unscrew that shit, the lock, the deadbolt. I had to unscrew that shit when it went yesterday when it went out to let them get in. Look, see, he thought it was just a lock. I told him, no, do that shit again. Now he can't get out. So I, hell no. Huh?
Turn the knob and push.
Okay. No, you gotta like put your like knee under, like right there, and then yeah, it gotta come from your direction. I don't know what the hell how he Jimmy rigged this shit. This shit crazy. I wanna lock the damn maintenance dude in now. Nah, it seemed like to me this was old Slumlord shit that he put together. This was some Jimmy rig shit. I ain't never seen a door like this. And I done put him in, it was 12, 13 years old. Now, this is a script ran to get me to interact off negativity that they created, pure fuckery, but to get you to react to make you look like a crazy veteran or you going crazy because your door mysteriously got jammed. No, this is all by design. Again, this is when I've been here 9 years. All of a sudden with this new management, when they had their people in place, like that other management, I titled the Murder Gay Mafia, Ryan over at Detroit Town, they got the same type individual over here. Then they started running these type, I call them death scripts. Now, the key is to get you to interact in a form of negativity. So for my young veterans, detach all emotion and record to document the history of the harassment and the gang stalking tactics that the VA uses. I'm sorry, the VA and the DPD, because they're in collusion with this, since been that way since Detroit Town. And also they moved a VA nurse right next to me, right next door. And also 4 other nurses that's right across the street watching everything that I do. So they're waiting for me to act in an unstable manner, setting up these little dumb, low IQ ass antagonistic scripts.
This was frozen in there.
This was what?
Like from this side, this wasn't. That wasn't actually.
All right, close again. See, well, okay, no. See, yeah, just see.
No.
You said no?
No. Here's your tools.
All right, so what are you gonna do? You gonna mark it in that they gotta come fix it tomorrow? You put in a work order for that? All right. What's your name? Andy. Okay, thanks, Andy. So I shouldn't close this bitch, right?
Be careful. Yeah, you did already.
Oh no, let me go. I'm gonna open the window downstairs and shit. Yeah.
Make some preparation.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Andy. No, I'm gonna go open up this window in the basement. Yeah.
Get out that way.
Well, yeah. I'll go open the window in the basement. Now they up running the little death scripts because they couldn't do it anymore in the VA because I quit going to the VA. I told my doctor, Dr. Wilson, after they ran about 4 or 5 different death scripts fucking with me in the VA, and it was getting serious where they was using the federal police with other doctors before I can even see my doctor. So I told him I'm not even seeking medical treatment here anymore because y'all demoralize my morale to seek medical care because of the level of games that's being played at the VA, because they're retaliatory for me writing up the VA and then making a YouTube channel, Veterans Medical Apartheid Watch Group, to shine light on why so many veterans are mentally unstable. If they question or even try to fight the medical apartheid that's inside the VA, the strike that the Detroit VA Hospital.
I'm your enemy because I tell you the truth.
Akon builds up his city, I'ma be at the gate scanning you niggas, and none of you niggas is allowed inside of the new Wakanda when it comes to these smear campaigns. We need black media. We need strong black media.
This channel is dedicated to benefiting you by educating you through enhanced digital technology for social, cultural, and political, economical development by sharing